Okay, today we want to introduce how to program our new model ET-328. This model is analog mode only. First, we need to prepare two radios and the program cable. The broken cable you need to order with us because the program cable is the multi-pin, especially. Okay. After we ready the radios, we need to install the software in the computer. This already installed in my computer. Okay, open the software. Okay, you can see here it's Chinese, but you can set it. Here we can change English. Okay. After that, you need to see the computer, the device manager. Device manager, we need to check the communication port in here. After we connect the cable with the computer, the cable name will disappear. Okay, here is communication 6. Okay, we check it's the program cable is connect computer well. After that, we need to check the port, choose the port in the software. Okay, you can see here we already checked it's number 6, right? This number 6. So here we need to create the number 6, communication port 6. Put it OK. And then we connect with the radio. Power on. Okay, make sure the radio power on first. Then you connect the cable with the radio. Here. Okay, then we'll read. You see the right. Okay, read successfully. This is our model ET-328. And this radio information, RX frequency and the TX frequency. If you want to program the frequency walkie talkie to walkie talkie, this RX frequency and the TX frequency must be same. You can see it's same. If you want to connect the handheld radio or the mobile radio with the repeater, the RX and the TX, the frequency must be different. Okay, and this is the CTCSS, and this is the CDCSS. Okay, you can choose. The CTCSS have the have 38 groups. Is totally is the number. Okay, the CT, CD, CSS have more than 80. It have the letter and the numbers. You see, it's for the equation. Okay, you can choose. The CT, CSS and the CT, CD, CSS must be also the same. You see, also the same. The power, you can choose high power or the low power. Normally we will choose the high power because the high power we made the talk rate is long. Okay, and this we choose the Y. And the radio had function. You can set the function in here. The watch function, TOT, and the squelch level. Okay, and the priority scan sort. And the side key, you can see here have two side key. This side key, this key 1, it's key 2. Okay, in here we also see SK1, SK2, right? Short press and short press and long press have different function can choose. Okay, in here we need to double click. Then we allow key assign will appear. You see, this here we cannot choose, but need to double click here, then choose here, then we can choose the function what you need. Have the function, have scan, wax, and scroll off, and power level, emergency alarm, and the channel and ring plus. You can see here. You can choose what you need. Okay. Normally, when we read radio information, we need to save. Otherwise, you can save. You can save the record in your computer. For example, I saved this radio information record in our computer desk. Okay. After save, we will see here. Here have the record file. Why I advise you save the record first, because sometimes you change the frequency like this one. Okay, after we change, it's the difference. Okay, after we change this one, then we cannot. This one it cannot talk each other because we already changed the channel 1 frequency. Okay, after we change this, we will write the new information in this radio. Okay, now we already write new information in this radio. Let me test. Okay.
1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1.
We already traced the number 1 channel information. So hello. You can see we cannot talk each other, right? Hello. So we need to copy. This information to another radio. Okay, let me show you. Okay, read. Okay, we read this one is already programmed. Okay, this one. So we need to copy the information to another radio. We connect with the radio, make sure power on. Then choose the right.
1.
Okay, we already programmed new information to the two radios. Let me test again.
2. 1.
Okay. Hello. You see, we already set the safe frequency in the number one channel. Then they can talk each other. Okay. If you want to restore the default setting, we can do like this. Open. You remember we already you see the radio original record is the number one stage. So we need to, if you want to restore default setting, you can write this. You can open the record file, then connect with the radio, then write. Now we already write this information, so the radio cannot talk, right? So let me copy another one. Write the original information to the radio.
1.
Okay, after we program the original information. Hello. The radio can work. Okay, that's why I advise you record the information in your computer first. It's make sure the original information is not missed. Okay. So if you have other more information of this radio about the program, you can contact with us. Thank you.